Play with Fire is, in my opinion, one of the Stones' most haunting of early tunes. And it's also a surprisingly beginner-friendly tune as well. And I think this can be one of those really great quick wins for you with just a few common beginner guitar chords. And if we look at the verse is just one chord. And it's like this. It's just E minor. Right? And what I want to do is to play this. We're just going to strum on the first and third beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think this is going to be good because it's going to help when we go into the chorus, because that's slightly trickier. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we actually look at the verse itself, and let's just have a quick playthrough, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you've got your diamonds and you've got your pretty clothes, and the chauffeur drives your car. You let everybody know. And the thing that happens to me when I play 1, 3, 1, 3 on the second and fourth beats, I'm kind of air strumming because I'm still keeping the right hand, for me, my strumming hand, kind of still keeping it going, but I kind of do a little air strumming like that. Let me just break in here for a second. If you want more personalized one-on-one online lessons, then you can take classes with me. I'm on a platform called Till. The link is down below in the description, just below the like and subscribe. Now let's look at the chorus, and this is where it gets a little bit trickier because we're playing a few other chords. Now we're playing G, D, G, C. So this is where it gets a touch harder. But I think when you're playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, doing this, is a little bit easier. I think it takes away some of the kind of the stress, because when you're trying to do like quicker strumming, it can be a little harder trying to keep this hand and this hand going together at the same time. So just doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's a little easier. So let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the end of the chorus, it just goes into the E minor chord. So let's have another go at this. 1, 2, 3. You can play with me. Don't you play with fire. I got the lyrics wrong there. Don't you play with me, 'cause you play with fire. Now a little chord transition tip for you, because it's holding the E minor for the verses, and when you're going to the G major, one thing you can do to make life a little easier is keep your second finger on the fretboard, and then, especially if you play your G major chord like me, you can put the fourth finger and the third finger on the third frets of the two E strings like that. So as you can see, just have that second finger kind of anchoring you. So let's put this together. Let's just play a verse and a chorus. Here we go. Right, this is our tempo. 1, 2, 3. Well, you've got your diamonds and you've got your pretty clothes, and The chauffeur drives your car, you let everybody know. But don't play with me, 'cause you're playing with fire. It's a great tune, and even with simple strumming, I think this song sounds really good. Now, if you enjoyed this and want more super simple songs like this, I've got a playlist full of them right here. Pick another one and I'll see you there. So thanks so much for joining me today, and happy strumming.